Okay, so the question is, imagine the wind is blowing. Fine. Why does the rock move sideways? Fine. So my question, which rock has more chance of moving? Which rock has more chance of side moving? Why? Because this rock is balanced rock. Why? Because whatever the wind blowing here, okay, the wind is blowing, but at the same time, oppositely, this rock has contact force. What is called contact force? The wind is blowing here, and this is the contact force. Contact force. So the contact force is working oppositely, right? So what is contact force? Okay, fine. Are you watching? Suppose I'm just making this hand like this. So I have more contact force. If I use my hand like this, I don't have contact force. Why? Because I don't have enough space. So if I hold like this, I mean it has more contact force, sliding force, right? Dragging force. So this stone has enough contact force. I mean this type of force. So this stone, wind is working against the force, against the stability, and stone is stable. So here there is a fight of wind, fight of stretching force, contact force, right? And when these two forces become equal, and that is called balanced force. And when something is balanced, I mean there is no movement. I mean these on and these on equal. So this is called balanced force. So here, this is called balanced force. Balanced force. Balanced force is bad. Why? Because in balanced force, there is no movement. On the other hand, in the time of this stone, you are watching, this stone has more chance of, more wind is working against here, right? I'm sorry. Okay, so in this place, more wind is working against this stone. On the other hand, this stone doesn't have this contact force you are watching, right? This is slight space. The space is very little. This space is very little. So wind is working, but this stone doesn't have enough capabilities of this stretching. So the stone is moving. So this one is, here this contact force is less powerful and this air force is more powerful. So this is unbalanced force. Okay, Baba. Again, I'm telling. Here this touching force, contact force working this side and wind is working that side. Both are equal, that is balanced. In this space, the stone has little contact, little. So this contact force is little, but wind force is very strong. So this is unbalanced force. In unbalanced force, the stone will move, but in balanced force, the stone never get moved. Balanced force, at the time of vehicle, at the time of any mobility, on the question of mobility, balanced force is bad. Clear? Because in balanced force, there is no movement. I think you have understood.